comprehensive hospital and billing admission and admission system. So sa patient information, PID, which is yung patient ID, yan yung variable let. So yan lang din yan. Input and float, which is in ng float. May decimal places. Yung ibang walang variable dyan, ay yung ibang walang data type dyan, yung input lang, ibig sabihin yun. Kaya wala siyang data type. Gaya na itong integer and float, ibig sabihin naka-automatic na kasi yan na string. So, ganoon lang din. Vital signs, ganoon lang din, input, float, integer. So, dito sa wrong rate calculation natin, ang rate ng ward is 500. Sa semi-private naman, 1,000. Sa private, 2,000. Sa ICU, 5,000. So, pag hindi mo na-type dyan, yung hinihingi, which is ward, semi-private, private, ICU, is mag-invalid na yung room type. And pag wala kang tinype or mali yung tinype mo, magsisiro yan yung rate. So, room bill is equals to rate times days, which is ito yung rate. Yan yung may room bill, kung ilang araw. So, dito tayo sa additional charges sa lab bill. Labs times 1,200. Tapos, OP bill, 1,500. If nag-yes ka, may 1,500. Else, 0. So, dito rin tayo sa bill processing and discount. So, subtotal, sabihin yun ay room bill, which is ito, plus lab bill, plus medical bill, which is yung tinype natin dito kanina, 2,500, tapos yung OP bill. So, sa discount, if age is greater than 60, meron kang 12% discount. Kung ikaw naman if subtotal mo ay greater than 100,000, 15%. Tapos, so was dito din, 10% no discount. Discount is equal to subtotal plus discount rate. Then discount rate. Sa temperature naman, if temperature is greater than 38, fever na yun. Pag 37, normal temperature. Blood pressure, if SBP is greater than 140 or greater than 190, high blood pressure yun. Or greater, and if SBP is less than 90 or less than 60, yung DBP, low blood pressure. Pero pag sakto lang sila, pagpataas ito ng 95 or 91, or ito naman, mababa siya ng 139, normal blood pressure lang yun. Sa heart rate naman. Dito sa heart rate, if heart rate is less than 60, low heart rate yun, bradycardia. If heart rate is greater than 100, tachycardia. HR status naman, else, ito na yung wala dito, normal heart rate. If temperature status is normal, kung normal naman sila, patient status is requires close monitoring due to abnormal vitals. Else, kung ano dyan, merong isa dyan, ito na yan, normal yung vitals niya. So, ito naman sa ano natin, output. So, ayun lang. Backslash n. 44. Wait lang. Hospital admission and bill summary. Ito pala dito. Ito yung ano, backslash n plus ito times 44. Yung mga parang minus. Ayun, dash pala minus tuloy. So, ito na yung PID, yung tinay natin kanina. Yan lang din tinatawag niya. Oops. Age, room, days, vital. So, yung mga calculations na ginawa natin kanina, tatawagin niya lang yan. Laging may F dyan kasi tinatawag niya yung variables sa kanina. So, ayun lang. Yung discount dito rin. Print status. If 20% senior citizen. Discount label. Ay, if discount label is equal to 20%, senior citizen, print senior citizen, discount apply. Tapos, ayun. Patient status. Which is, ayan. Ito na yan. Patient requires loss monitoring due to abnormal vitals. So, ayun lang. Thank you.